Scripture says there's a time and a season for things to change. As we're approaching a few weeks into autumn, I'm sure things have changed around you as well. Wherever you may live, there's a possibility that something has changed. And if you're here, there's also a possibility that you love decorating for autumn just as much as I do. In this video, I'm sharing a few simple ways to add the cozy vibes of fall into your home without spending too much money or experiencing overwhelm. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you're here. If you're new here, I'm Delicia, and on my channel I share all things home and lifestyle. So if you enjoy that sort of content and you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you are locked into all of my videos, and whenever I upload my latest, you will be notified. It's totally free, so why not? And it also helps out my channel so that I can bring you more content that you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get started. In your living areas, using pillow covers and changing them out seasonally is not only a space saver, but can also be a cost saver if you're looking to save a few dollars. I buy my down pillow inserts from IKEA and my pillow covers from Amazon. These gorgeous brown leather pillow covers are super soft, and the colors on all of them definitely speak fall vibes. Throw blankets give any sofa, love seat, or chair warmth and texture. This lovely waffle textured throw is from IKEA. Faux stems or fall-inspired florals from your own yard are a lovely addition to any vase or vessel. I mostly purchase my stems from Michael's during a sale or with a coupon. Believe it or not, lighting can make or break a cozy vibe. Warm lighting or even real or faux candles add just the touch of getting cozy on your own or even cuddling with someone you love. The same goes for your entryway, which is what everyone sees upon entering. If you have room for a console table like this one, simply add color and texture with floral stems, vases, or even baskets. The ideas are endless. You can even add throws or pillows to a space like this as well. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. You are an MVP. By giving me a thumbs up helps out my channel so much. It gets it out to even more people. But if you know someone personally that may enjoy this video, clicking on that share button and passing on the love would be so helpful, and I thank you in advance. If you caught my fall tablescape video, thank you so much for watching that. If you didn't, check that out after watching this video. That's only one of many ways to style a fall table, but for everyday casual styling, a simple textured vase just like this one by the Studio McGee line from Target, and even more dried florals make the perfect centerpiece. These placemats that I purchased from IKEA adds even more texture and warmth to the table. Having fun with various colors and textures of dinnerware is another great way to add cozy to your table. Which style do you like the best with this beautiful fall-inspired plate? The white beaded one or the sage melamine one? Let me know in the comments below. Obviously, these are only a few ways to add cozy vibes to your spaces. You can find a few more ways I've done that in my home at Delicia at Home on Instagram, as well as catching up on these videos. Hold on to your joy, friends, and I'll see you next time.